Hello everyone, this is Suyog. Welcome to my channel Learn Tableau with Suyog.
Also, please subscribe to my channel as I will be posting more videos like this one to help you learn Tableau one visualization at a time.
In this video, I will show you how you can toggle or switch between different views on dashboard in Tableau like this. This is useful when end users have requirement of both charts in dashboard and they don't want dashboard to be messy with the same data in different charts within a dashboard. Here we can provide them a ability to switch between charts. Let's see how it's been done in Tableau. First, I'm going to create charts. For this example, I'm going to create bar chart and pie chart, but you can apply this to any other charts as well. In this sheet, I'm going to create bar chart. For that, I'm showing sum of profit by category, and we'll show labels here. Similarly, in this sheet, we'll create pie chart. We'll use the same data. Instead of bar chart, we will create a pie chart here. We'll expand this. Here we will check show marks label. We will also bring the category to the label and sum of profit to the label as well. We'll increase the size a little bit. Okay, now our charts are ready. After creating charts, now let's create parameter by clicking this drop down here in data pane. You can create a parameter. So for this parameter, I'm gonna call it select a view and change the data type to string. And here in allowable values, you select the list, and in value you're gonna type bar chart and pie chart and click OK. Here's our newly created parameter, and after this we're gonna create a calculated field. I'm gonna call this display, and in the formula box here I'm gonna select the newly created parameter, which is select a view, and hit apply, click OK. So now I'm gonna bring this display to filter, and here in the menu I'm gonna select custom value list, and I will type pie chart and click on this plus icon, hit apply, OK, and then I will right click on parameter and click on show parameter control, and here I will right click on the parameter and I will select a single value list, where if I change it to pie chart, then it will show pie chart, and if I click on bar chart, it will not show anything. So we will go back to the bar chart. So here I will do the same thing. I will bring display to the filter, and then we'll go back to the custom value list. I will type bar chart and click on this plus icon, hit apply, OK, and then I will right click on this parameter and click on show parameter control. I will do the same which I did for the pie chart. Click on this drop down arrow and select a single value list, and if I select bar chart, then it will show the bar chart. If I select pie chart, it will not show anything. Then I will create a dashboard. So in this dashboard I will bring a horizontal floating container first. where I will be putting those visualizations. So for this purpose I'm gonna place this one in at the center here, and now I will bring the pie chart first. So before that I'll click on tile, so it will take up all the space in this container. So I will bring the pie chart, so I will close all this unnecessary here. For the parameter control I will make this as a floating, and I will fit this the entire view. Also I will hide the title. So now we're gonna bring the bar chart to the same container. We can hide this title. So there you go. So now we have created two views, and now we are toggling between those two views in the dashboard.